Hello, hello, my friends. It is another Boxycharm day for me because my friend was right. I do get a premium box and a regular box. I did get the regular box 3 days ago and the premium one today, which is fine. And she is a hefty mother. I'm so excited. I have no idea what's in here, so let's get into it. So same thing, breaking the ice. I don't want to peek, I want to be surprised. First thing I see is called Blackest Black Eyeshadow Matte by Natasha Denona. And this is freezing cold because it's minus 30 right now and it was outside. I'm scared to get in here without breaking this. Remy, I can't get into it. I can't. Oh, we got it. Oh, there's even a mirror in here. There she is. All right, let's see what this says. Natasha Denona. This highly pigmented eyeshadow provides a soft, velvety texture, full coverage, and blends seamlessly into lids for an ideal smoky eye look. This retails for $29. Versali Liquid Glass Radiant Serum. There she is. Ooh, are these those cool drops? Oh, I bet it is. I bet it is. Ooh, that's cold. There she is. Does it smell like anything? Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh, it smells quite nice. Versali, is that how you say it? Yeah. Both my cats are behind me, if you couldn't tell. Versali Liquid Glass Radiant Serum. A hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow. To plump and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it can be used as a hydrating skincare serum or as a radiant boosting primer before makeup. Whoa, that retails for $54. Oh, it smells great. The best brow kit ever by Billion Dollar Brows. It comes with a brow pencil, a brow duo pencil concealer, a smudge brush, and a brow gel. I am going to give this to somebody because I have microbladed brows, so I don't need this, but that's really cool. It says, Billion Dollar Brows, transform your brows with these essential brow products. Use the universal brow pencil to sculpt your desired look. With a brow duo pencil, highlight the brow bone for an instant lift and define with concealer above the brow. Blend, highlight, and conceal with the smudge brush for a flawless finish. Complete with a coat of brow gel for an all-day lasting hold. Retails for $42. Next, we have Bliss Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Mask. Oh, it's like an aerosol can. This silky mask with a combination of powerful clays deep cleanses skin and minimizes the look of pores. Yes, please. Without leaving it dry or tight. This retails for $18. Next, we have Tula Skincare Keep It Clean Acne Foam Cleanser. Ooh, a foam. Hello. Keep It Clean Acne Foam Cleanser. Just like I just said. Here she is, mates. Oh. It doesn't smell bad, just different. Tula Skincare. This effective yet gentle foam cleanser is where clear skin begins. Superfood licorice helps brighten the look of past blemish marks. Alcohol and fragrance free. This cleanser treats regular or occasional breakouts, leaving skin looking soft and glowing. Retails for $34. Palm Springs Too Faced Dreams Cocktail Party Eyeshadow Palette. That, I don't know why I said that, like I've just begun to learn how to read, and now I'm just learning how to speak for the first time. Let me in. I'll show you first. Ready? Am I gonna like it? Oh. I don't smell anything. That's pretty. Ooh, that is really pretty. I mean, it's nothing I don't already have, but I do have most of these colors. I do. And other palettes, but still, I love Too Faced things. This is exciting. Too Faced Cosmetics Palm Springs Dream Cocktail Party Eyeshadow Palette. Holy, that's a lot to say. Make it a girl's trip to remember with this Palm Springs Dream-inspired palette of fresh cocktail colors and dazzling party-ready finishes. Extreme color payoff in one swipe formula. Retails for $45. Hello. And that's that. I thought there was something hidden in the bottom, but there is not. That's deceiving. So that's pretty exciting for the premium box. I'm really excited. I mean, there's an awful lot of skincare in here, which is fine, but I probably won't really use a lot of these things often, but that's okay. And the brow thing I obviously won't use. Let's add it up. Hey Google, what's 45 plus 34 plus 54 plus 29 plus 18 plus 42?
The answer is 222.
Perfect! Well, I would say that's a win. Ooh, the baby just kicked. It says that I pay, with taxes and shipping, $40 total for that. So, yes, please. Love it. I actually kind of love that I've got 2 boxes, because I don't know, I love surprises in the mail. Let me know what you guys thought of the premium box. Would you consider switching from your regular box to the premium? I know that, what's my cat doing? He's a Boxycharmer as well, apparently. Remy, buddy. I'm kind of sad because I know that most people did get a highlighter in their regular box, and I did not, but that's okay. I don't even really wear highlighters that much, so it's not a big deal. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me once again for another Boxycharm unboxing for January. I'm super stoked. Love this. Let me know what you thought. I will catch you in the next one. Bye! Boxycharm Premium. Na 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 na.